Hello students, today I have brought another lesson of grammar for you. It is interchange of assertive and interrogative sentence. We know based on the meaning, sentences can be of various kinds. They can be declarative or assertive, exclamatory, imperative or interrogative. We know a sentence can be transformed from one type to another without changing its meaning. So today we are going to learn how we can transform a declarative or assertive sentence to an interrogative sentence without changing the meaning. And we will also learn the opposite of it, that is interrogative to assertive. Before I start, let us quickly recollect the features. Assertive sentence makes a statement or states a fact or an opinion. It ends with a period, that is full stop. It can be affirmative, that is positive, or negative in meaning. I've given you example of affirmative sentence. Tagore was a great poet. Example of negative sentence. You cannot win this match. So, interrogative sentence asks a question, ends with a question mark. Example, was Tagore not a great poet? Can you win this match? So, we will do how to convert an assertive sentence to interrogative sentences without changing the meaning. So, we will follow two steps. Step 1, we will convert affirmative to negative or negative to affirmative sentence. And in step 2, you will move helping verb to the start of the sentence, that is the beginning of the sentence. Now you see assertive to interrogative sentence conversion. Example I have given. In affirmative it is Dhoni is a great player. So when you convert affirmative to negative, it becomes Dhoni is not a great player. Now at second step, when you move helping verb to the start of the sentence, that is you have seen Dhoni is the subject, is the helping verb. Now when you put the helping verb in the beginning, it becomes isn't Dhoni a great player? That becomes a interrogative sentence and the meaning remains the same. Now assertive to interrogative sentence, I have given example. The sandwich was not tasty. Earlier I gave you example of affirmative to negative. Now negative to affirmative. So the sandwich was not tasty. Step 1, we convert negative to affirmative. Now positive sentence will be the sandwich was tasty. Now step 2, when you will move helping verb to the beginning of the sentence. So your sentence in interrogative it will be, was the sandwich tasty? Now when we convert assertive to interrogative sentence, we follow some conditions. Now in case 1, when helping verb is not provided in the sentence, then how will you convert? So you will see the tense of the sentence. The helping verbs, they are is, am, are, was, were, will, can, could, may, might, do, does, did. And they can be more than this. I've given you few. Now, for example, in assertive, the sentence is he plays cricket. Now here, seeing the tense plays, you will find out what you are going to use to make it a negative sentence. Your sentence will be he does not play cricket. By seeing the verb plays, you come to know it is simple present. So you use does. That is the auxiliary verb does. He does not play cricket. And when we take up the second, we bring the helping verb in the beginning. It becomes doesn't he play cricket? Now case 2, if it is never given in the sentence, you will change it to ever. If it is no given in the sentence, you will change it to any. No one, anyone. So we see the examples are given. In assertive, if the sentence is Ajay will never forget my kindness. So in interrogative, it will become, will Ajay ever forget my kindness? Assertive, no one knows you. In interrogative, it will become, does anyone know you? Now, assertive sentence, one more example. I have nothing to do. So in interrogative, it becomes, have you anything to do? And comes a question mark. Now, case 3, if you in the sentence it is given everybody, everyone, no one, nobody, anyone, anybody, someone, somebody, or all, then it gets changed to who plus don't, doesn't, or didn't auxiliary verb. For example, if in the assertive sentence it is given everybody likes to become great, then in interrogative it becomes who does not like to become great, or does everybody not like to become great. For one example more I have given, if in assertive the sentence is nobody believes a liar, then in interrogative becomes who believes a liar. So everybody, everyone, whatever is given, it gets changed to who. You have to put who. Now one more example, I have nothing to do, then in interrogative becomes have you anything to do. I'll come more of it. Thank you.